Hey, it's Chris. I hope you're well. I know how annoying it can be to remove shocks bushings when you don't have the right tool. This is the right tool. Unior's shocks bushing extractor set. Okay, let's dig into it. Unior's shock bushing extractor set is made from special tool steel for years of use. It is compatible with bushings of 12mm and 12.7mm. Always start by measuring the inside of the bushing to check if it's a 12mm or 12.7mm. Once you've selected the appropriate pin for the bushing, install it in the bushing and install the second part of the tool on the other side of the bushing. Open your vise wide enough so the tool can fit into it. Place the tool into the vise and start tightening the vise. Keep on tightening the vise until the pin completely pushes out the bushing from the shock. Once off the vise, you can remove the pin from the shock. Finally, pull the tool apart so the bushing comes out of it. To reinstall a new bushing into a shock, simply place the bushing on the shock eye and tighten it using the vise. The bushing should be pressed into the shock. See, it makes it really easy. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.